The 16th Pennsylvania Cavalry was a cavalry regiment that served in the Union Army during the American Civil War. Service. The 16th Pennsylvania Cavalry was organized at Harrisburg, Pennsylvania beginning in September 1862 as the 161st Volunteers, and mustered in for 3 years' service under the command of Colonel John Irvin Gregg. The regiment was attached to defenses of Washington to January 1863. Averell's Cavalry Brigade, Army of the Potomac to February 1863. 2nd Brigade, 2nd Division, Cavalry Corps, Army of the Potomac to June 1863. 3rd Brigade, 2nd Division, Cavalry Corps, Army of the Potomac, to August 1863. 2nd Brigade, 2nd Division, Cavalry Corps, Army of the Potomac, to May 1865. Department of Virginia to August 1865. The 16th Pennsylvania Cavalry mustered at August 11, 1865. Detailed service. The regiment left Pennsylvania for Washington, D.C. on November 23, 1862. It was then stationed at Camp Casey, near Bladensburg, Maryland, until January 3, 1863. Its first move in 1863 was to Falmouth, Virginia on January 3. The regiment then took up duty on the line of the Rappahannock River until April 1863. It was involved in operations at Rappahannock Bridge and Grove Church February 5–7. Hartwood Church February 25. Kelly's Ford March 17. Operations about Bealton Station April 13–27. Elk Run April 13. Next it was involved in the Chancellorsville Campaign from April 26 to May 8. Specifically it participated in Stoneman's Raid, April 29 – May 8. Kelly's Ford April 29. Ely S. Ford May 2. Brandy Station, Stevensburg, and Beverly Ford June 9. Aldie June 17. Near Middleburg June 18. Middleburg June 19. Battle of Gettysburg July 1–3. Stevens Furnace July 5. Shepherdstown, West Virginia, July 14–16. Little Washington August 27. Advance to the Rapidan September 13–17. Culpeper Courthouse September 13. Crooked Run September 18. Bristow Campaign October 9–22. Warrenton White Sulphur Springs October 12–13. Auburn and Bristow October 14. St. Stephen's Church October 14. Catlett Station October 14. Mine Run Campaign November 26 – December 2. New Hope Church November 27. Parker's Store November 29. Expedition to Luray December 21–23. Amityville, Gaines Cross Roads, and Sperryville December 22. The regiment started 1864 off by participating in Kilpatrick's raid on Richmond February 28, March 4, 1864. Beaver Dam Station February 29. Fortifications of Richmond March 1. Rapidan Campaign May to June. Todd's Tavern, Wilderness, May 5–8. Sheridan's Raid to James River May 9–24. North Anna River May 9–10. Ground Squirrel Church and Yellow Tavern May 11th. Brook Church. Fortifications of Richmond, May 12th. Milford Station May 21st. Line of the Pamunkey May 26–28. Hawes Shop May 28. Totopotomoy May 28–31. Cold Harbor May 31, June 1. Sumner's Upper Bridge June 2. Sheridan's Trevilian Raid June 7–24. Trevilian Station June 11–12. White House of St. Peter's Church June 21. Black Creek at Tunstall Station June 21. St. Mary's Church June 24. Siege operations against Petersburg and Richmond July 1864 to April 1865. Warwick Swamp July 12, 1864. Demonstration on north side of the James at Deep Bottom July 27 to 29. Deep Bottom July 28-29. Malvern Hill July 28. Warwick Swamp July 30. Demonstration on north side of James River at Deep Bottom August 13 to 20. Gravel Hill August 14. Strawberry Plains, Deep Bottom, August 14 to 18. Charles City Cross Roads, August 16. Dinwiddie Road, near Reims Station, August 23. Reims Station, August 25. Reconnaissance to Poplar Springs Church, September 13. Reconnaissance toward Dinwiddie Courthouse, September 15. Poplar Springs Church, September 29, October 2nd. Arthur's Swamp, September 30th, October 1st. Boydton Plank Road, Hatcher's Run, October 27, 28. Reconnaissance to Stony Creek, November 7th. Near Lee's Mills, November 16th. Stony Creek Station, December 1st. Hicksford Raid, December 7 to 12. Belfield, December 8th. Disputantire Station, January 9, 1865. Dabney's Mills, Hatcher's Run, February 5 to 7. Appomattox Campaign, March 28, April 9. Dinwiddie Courthouse, March 30-31. Five Forks, April 1. Payne's Crossroads and Amelia Springs, April 5. Sailors Creek, April 6. Farmville, April 7. Appomattox Courthouse, April 9. Surrender of Lee and his army. Expedition to Danville, April 23 to 29. Move to Lynchburg, Virginia, and duty there and in the Department of Virginia until August. Casualties. The regiment lost a total of 302 men during service, 5 officers and 100 enlisted men killed or mortally wounded, 3 officers and 194 enlisted men died of disease. Commanders: Colonel John Irvin Gregg, Colonel Lorenzo D. Rogers, Lieutenant Colonel John K. Robertson, Major Seth T. Kennedy, commanded during the Mine Run Campaign.